Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive in deep into a topic that's super relevant for students everywhere. The humble laptop, it's more than just a shiny piece of tech. It's become an absolutely essential tool for academic success. So, if you're a student or about to become one, stick around as we unpack why your laptop is your ultimate study buddy. Let's rewind a bit. Not too long ago, studying meant stacks of heavy textbooks, endless piles of notebooks, and trips to the library to use a shared computer. Research was a slow, painstaking process of flipping through encyclopedia pages and card catalogs. But now, all of that power, all of that information, is packed into this slim device sitting on your desk. The transformation is just incredible. First up, let's talk about access to information. With a laptop and an internet connection, you have the world's biggest library at your fingertips. We're talking academic journals, ebooks, research papers, and educational videos on literally any subject you can imagine. Instead of just relying on a single textbook, you can get multiple perspectives. Check out the latest research and explore topics in a way that truly sparks your curiosity. This isn't just about finding answers for your homework. It's about developing a deeper, more well-rounded understanding of what you're learning. Next, organization. Let's be real. Keeping track of notes, assignments, deadlines, and reading materials can be a nightmare. A laptop completely changes the game. You can use note-taking apps to keep all your subjects neatly organized, searchable, and synced across your devices. Digital calendars and task managers help you stay on top of your deadlines, so you never have that last-minute panic of realizing an essay is due tomorrow. Plus, you can say goodbye to the "my dog ate my homework" excuse. Everything is safely stored in the cloud, accessible anytime, anywhere. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to your studies. Then there's the power of collaboration. Group projects are a huge part of modern education, and laptops make teamwork seamless. You can work on the same document in real time with your classmates using tools like Google Docs, share resources instantly, and connect for video meetings, no matter where you are. This isn't just convenient. It prepares you for the collaborative work environments you'll likely enter after graduation. It teaches you how to communicate effectively and work as part of a team in a digital space. Beyond that, laptops unlock a new level of creativity and skill development. You're not just consuming information, you're creating. You can learn to code, design presentations that captivate your audience, edit videos for a project, or even start a blog to share what you're learning. These are valuable digital literacy skills that go far beyond the classroom and make you a more competitive candidate. In the job market, your laptop is a playground for learning new, practical skills that will serve you for the rest of your life. Finally, a laptop offers incredible flexibility. Life doesn't always happen in a classroom or library. With a portable device, you can study at a coffee shop, review notes on the bus, or finish an assignment from the comfort of your home. This adaptability is crucial for balancing your academic life with work, hobbies, and family. It empowers you to create a study routine that fits your unique lifestyle, making learning more manageable and less stressful. So, as you can see, a laptop is so much more than just a tool for writing essays. It's your research assistant, your personal organizer, your collaborative workspace, and your gateway to developing new skills. It's a powerful investment in your education and your future. What are some of your favorite ways to use your laptop for studying? Drop your tips and favorite apps in the comments below. Let's help each other out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.